Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and properly set up a Facebook business page in 2026 step by step. Now, if you want to promote a business, service, personal brand or online store, a Facebook business page is very important for you. But most of the beginners either skip the important settings or don't know what to write or upload. So in today's video, I will walk you through the entire setup using one real example so that you can copy the process for your own business without any confusion. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to either open your Facebook mobile application or you can also follow the same steps in your web browser with the help of the facebook.com website. So whichever method you choose, you just have to first of all log in into your personal account on Facebook. Don't worry, your personal profile will not be visible to the customers. Facebook only uses it to manage the pages. So once you are inside the Facebook application, simply tap on the profile icon of yours on the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, tap on the option of see more. Now simply just scroll down a bit and among the given options here on this page, look for the option of pages. Now after tapping on the pages, once you are inside the pages section, it is going to show you all of the previous pages that you have created, or if you haven't created any of the pages, it is going to show you some of the discover sections where it is going to show you some of the pages that you can follow based on your own interests. So here, since we want to create a page, simply tap on the option of create on the top left hand corner of the screen. Now, if you are using it in your web browser, it may ask you whether you want to create a business page or a personal page. So if you see that option, you just have to select the option of creating a business page. Now, you can start creating your business page over here. In the first section, you need to provide the name of your page. So here, for example, let's say the name of my page is Fit at Home, and after giving the page name, simply press next. Now, in the second option, you just have to select the category of your page. So let's say I am personal coach, so you just have to type it. You can also look for some more categories, and one is minimum, but you can also add two or three. Now simply tap on the option of create. Now once you tap on the option of create, it is going to redirect you on the next page where it will show you the options of bio, your contact, then your location related details. So here in the bio, you need to basically provide the description of relating to your own business. You just have to keep the description short and clear and make sure that it doesn't sound any fancy, and here clarity matters more. So after giving the bio, simply just scroll down and in the contact section you can provide your contact related details like your website domain name, then your email address and your phone number. Afterwards, if you want to provide your location to your consumers, you can also provide the location related details. In the hours section, you need to know the working hours of your business. So if you and your business available 24/7, you can select the option of 24/7 every single day. And after that, you can also select the option of the standard hours and select the days from this list and select the timing as well. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to be tapping on the option of always open, but based on your business and the working hours, you can choose any of these options that are given over here. Now once you are done with all this, simply press next in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now this is the section which is going to be really important. This is basically the customization page of your business page. So over here, simply tap on this camera icon. Now your gallery will be opened in front of you. So you just have to simply select any of the images from your gallery, and after selecting it, it will come here on this particular page. Similarly, when you tap on the option of this background, you can tap on any of the images or the background available. Make sure that the resolution of the image that you are selecting here is 16:9. and then you just have to adjust the profile picture and it will come over here. So once this is done, simply tap on the option of next, and now you can start inviting your friends. Now since we have opened our main profile, and on our main profile we are creating this business page, so if you have a friend list on your main profile, all of the list will be shown over here. If you want to invite your friends from this list, you can just simply select the profile of your friends by tapping on the check option right next to their profiles. You can also use the username of your friends by using the search bar here on the top. After that, you can just simply send them a friend request and they will know that you have created a business page and they can basically follow your page. Now after doing this, simply press next, and here you can stay informed about your page. So I would recommend you to tap on this option as well, so that you could get the marketing and the promotional emails about your page. Then you can also select the option of page notifications on your profile. After doing this, simply press done, and now as you can see, it has switched your profile from your own profile to your page profile. So now you are inside your page profile. Then tap on the option of three lines on the top right hand corner of the screen. From here on this page, you can basically switch back and forth from your main profile to your pages. And now simply go to your professional dashboard. Over here you are going to take a look at the page related insights, like the number of followers, the number of posts that you have, your achievements, and bunch of different things. You can also basically start customizing your page by tapping on your profile over here, and now you can start posting the content on your page very easily. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comment section below. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.